So we're on the job in Chester. It's this here on the door, running right the way along onto this wing here. So it's a full door, and then the wing. There's nothing on the back, so we'll get cracking with it now. Right, so door's now in primer, wings in primer. Also got this to do now. Customer's just pointed something else out for us to do, and that bit there at the bottom, which is going to require a fill. And it is freezing today, so I'm going to start down the rub backs. See you in a bit. Mike's just taping up, getting ready for the door to be done. Just letting that go off now, and then he's going to mask all this up. And then we'll paint the door and the wing first, and then I'll do that last. I'll put it in primer, but I'll be doing it last because I want to make sure I've got enough kit to do this. Right, so there's the damage on the front, all done and repaired. There's the wing, all resprayed, repaired, and there's the door, all sprayed and repaired. Customer's happy. We're off to the next one.